Hey Dominic, this is Dave Hopper in Cincinnati, Ohio. I'm curious if your customers have to deal with the Glendon Biofilter System. This is mine. It's a quiet Sunday morning and I'm cleaning the outlet screen in the second half of the primary tank. I'm actually doing laundry right now, so you can see the water coming in. Now, there's minimal toilet paper here because I do have a Glendon biofilter and a mound. So this is 2.5 years, and I have a very small scum layer. The 1,500 gallon first tank is divided. This is the outfall side. And from here we go into, oh, and by the way, that green screen there needs to be cleaned monthly by the homeowner. So it's a hands-on system. Then this is the first half of the dosing tank where the water from the wash is coming in right now. And it goes into the pump chamber where I have a pump that runs 10 seconds every 10 minutes. And it's operated by an air pressure bell rather than a float system. So as water comes up around the outside of that bell, the pressure inside increases, and that little blue line is an air pressure hose that runs all the way back to the control panel. And when it kicks on, it pumps to that manifold chamber there and into one of 3 tanks buried under the mound, where you actually have to also do maintenance because you need to have a layer of mulch on top of it, but no vegetation. And all of this is controlled, bear with me, by this panel, where inside you will find a depth display of the water on that air pressure bell. Right now we're at 0 inches, which is a good place to be. But as the water gets deeper, the reading here will increase. The problem with the system is occasionally something will block the air line. It could be a bubble or a dead fly or anything. And that will not read properly. And unfortunately, when it doesn't read properly, it doesn't turn the pump on, and the lower chambers here on the dosing tank will both back up completely. Is this something you have in Texas? I've never seen them outside of Cincinnati or the West Coast. Curious as to your thoughts on this system. Thank you. Oh, and by the way, love the channel, love the videos. Sorry I can't give you a money shot, but my system is too clean. Thanks, Dominic. Keep up the good work. Keep making those videos.